Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Moz Pro and save site audits, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Moz Pro account. Once logged in, navigate to the Site Audits section on the dashboard. Select the specific site audit you want to withdraw from. Click on the audit to open its detailed report. At the top right corner, locate the Settings icon. Click on the Settings icon to access audit options. In the Settings menu, find the Withdraw option. Click on Withdraw to proceed with the withdrawal process. A confirmation prompt will appear. Review the details carefully. Click Confirm to complete the withdrawal from the audit. Now, to save your site audit, return to the main audit page. Look for the option to export the audit report. Select your preferred file format for the export. Click on the Export button to download the report. Once the download is complete, locate the file on your device. Make sure to save the file in a designated folder for easy access later. You have successfully withdrawn from Moz Pro and saved your site audit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.